nchi tunayoipenda.
Urugari wa maumirira ma githurano kia mweri kenda no thiete na mbere kwambatira. Ikundi itiganite cia guthurima ona kugitira ihooto cia aikia kura ikierekeria kamiti ya IEBC maruru. Kuringana na gikundi ya gutetera ihooto cia aikia kura kia Angaza Movement, IEBC okuma ithurano cia wamurani ikoretwo itehariirie magitemana ihingica iria ciaumirie hindi ona mbere ya githurano.
Division within the IEBC, the concerns and the matters raised has deadened the credibility of the process and of course the outcome. It is important and urgent that these issues be investigated thoroughly further through an independent and transparent audit.
Most disturbingly are the concerns raised by the 4 commissioners about the results being incomplete and therefore unverified based on the questionable and faulty Form 34C.
Even right now there's a lot of call for peace, let's move on and all that. But peace does not replace justice, number one.
Kuringana na gikundi giki kwaga gukinyanira kwa uthurimi wa aikia kura kumana na kwaga kuhuthika kwa mashini 200 cia KIEMS kwaheire mweke ucuke ona Kenya amwe kuhingiririo guikia kura amwe yao ni makuire ngoro kumana na minogo ya gwetha maritwa register-ini cia gucabithio.
The process of transmission and verification of the results have an eventual tallying once again faltered and left Kenyans in the dark for several days, feeding suspicion and malpractice.
I have witnessed personally in Mombasa at Vita primary school polling station, where a young lady, after delaying almost 3 hours, so she was in the queue by the time she went for put her thumb on Kim's kit, and it says that you already voted, and she did not vote because the station was just opened. And she protested.
Matetao tamayane maheanetwo ni gikundi kia athurimi ya ithurano kuuma nja wa bururi aria ni raia a Kenya makiuga icigo imwe itiari na register cia gucabithio.
It is pretentious for any foreign country to indicate the elections were free and fair when we witness as observers, diaspora observers, who are patriots, both in diaspora and Kenya, and that's why we are here, that voters were unable to vote as the KIEMS kit did not have their names and manual registers not valid.
When you talk about free and fair, it should be respected as free and fair. You get my point? So when that is betrayed, that means that's the only, it's the only thing that all of us have, from the poor man to the rich man, is the vote.
Ihinde-ini o riu ni maugite imwe cia ceceni cia wikia wa kura nja wa bururi ciari kuraya na Kenya undu uria wacungirie na banini yao kwiyumiria guikia kura.
Our brethren in the diaspora had to fly many miles to access a polling station. You can imagine a diaspora who lives in Alaska had to take an expensive flight for 5 hours and different time zones to vote at the Kenya Embassy in Los Angeles or in Washington, D.C.
Mendekithia-ini mao ikundi cirenda IEBC ng'etherwo kiwatho guku ningi makiendekithia mawatho ma ithurano mamurikwo keri gwithemana na mihinga iria ireyumiririe.
When we say we observed anomalies in the process, when we were observing, our stand is that the process was still, and it wasn't fair. So we hope that the process that our leaders are going to follow will give justice in the end.
Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Other addition.